Dassault Mirage 2000 is a French multi-role, supersonic single-engine, delta-wing, fourth-generation jet fighter aircraft, manufactured by Dassault Aviation. It was designed as a light fighter based on the Dassault Mirage III in late 1970 for the French Air Force. The Mirage 2000 developed into a successful multi-role aircraft with several variants being developed. Variants include the Strike 2000N and Mirage 2000D variants, having improved the Mirage 2000 to 5 and exporting several variants. More than 600 aircraft were built and in service in 9 countries as of 2009. In the early 1970s, the French Air Force launched the Fighter Aircraft Program of the Future, ACF Avion de Combat Futur. The ACF program aims to create a new fighter aircraft as a replacement for the Mirage III and Mirage V. Initially, the Dassault company offered the Super Mirage twin-engine fighter aircraft, but the aircraft was deemed too expensive and complicated to develop, so the Super Mirage was cancelled in 1975. Dassault then offered the Mirage 2000 design, which at a glance was similar to the Mirage III and Mirage V, but with much more modern technology. The French Air Force approved plans for the Mirage 2000 and approval for further development was given in late 1975. Basically, the Mirage 2000 is similar to the Mirage III and Mirage V, but actually the Mirage 2000 is a completely new aircraft with much better combat and maneuverability. This fighter aircraft was designed as an all-weather interceptor fighter, but also has the capability of being a ground attack aircraft. It is recorded that 601 units of the Mirage 2000 have been produced in various variants, including the Mirage 2000B twin-man fighter trainer variant. From the Mirage 2000B, the French Air Force then developed it into an attack aircraft variant in the same class as the Panavia Tornado IDS, F-15E Strike Eagle, and Sukhoi Su-30. If the Mirage 2000D is a conventional strike/attack aircraft, then the Mirage 2000N is an attack aircraft that has the capability to carry nuclear weapons. The Mirage 2000 is one of the most battle-proven fighter aircraft. This fighter aircraft was used by the French Air Force in the 1991 Gulf War and NATO military operations in the Balkans in 1994 to 1999. The Mirage 2000 is still used by the French Air Force to support military operations in Afghanistan from 2002 until now. Even though since 2006 the French Air Force has started operating the Rafale, around 150 Mirage 2000s will continue to strengthen the French Air Force for at least the next 5 to 10 years. Apart from the French Air Force, the Mirage 2000 is also used by the Air Forces of India, the United Arab Emirates, Taiwan, Greece, Egypt, Qatar, Peru, and Brazil.